In this tutorial, I'll guide you through using Minimax AI new director model to control camera movements in your text prompt. I also share some tips and tricks to help you create stunning cinematic movies. You can start your own AI-powered YouTube channel and create breathtaking movies and turn your passion into profit. Log in to Hailuo AI with your Gmail. Link in the description below. Enter the creation page. To use the director model, click the text to video tab. Select the director model here. Click the camera button to see the camera control interface. In the free selection tab, you can see several camera controls. Hover the mouse over each button to see a preview of each effect. You can combine up to 3 camera movements. To add anyone to your prompt, just click on it. On the Cinematic Shots tab, you can see some preset fixed combination templates. When you click on each one, that camera combination will be added to your prompt. To get proper result, place the camera control in the prompt where the shot movement occurs. When you use one camera movement, this single shot is applied to your prompt. When you select multiple camera movements and they are placed together like this, it means that all movements are applied simultaneously. When you select multiple camera movements, but add a gap between them, and those movements are placed like this, it means that the first movement occurs first, and then another movement is applied. So pay attention to this point and decide according to what you need to happen in the film scene. The main difference between push camera movement and zoom is in how the camera interacts with the scene. Push movement involves physically moving the camera horizontally forward or backward, which changes the perspective and creates a sense of depth, making the scene more immersive. On the other hand, zoom simply enlarges or shrinks the subject using the camera lens without moving the camera itself, so the perspective remains fixed. Push in adds a dynamic cinematic feel, while zoom in is great for focusing on details and quickly directing attention to something specific. In low-angle shot, the camera is placed below the subject and looks up. In high-angle shot, the camera is placed above the subject and looks down. Make proper images, then create videos with them. And note that if you use a front shot, the camera starts from the front. In a static shot, the camera remains stationary while the shooting angle pans horizontally to the left or right. This shot is perfect for where you want to focus on characters and their emotions, or when you want to draw attention to subtle movements or actions. To create high-quality images, you can use Leonardo AI. With Leonardo AI Flow State feature, you can create cinematic images with different shot types. Write your prompt, change the settings, and you will get several results. Watch this video on my channel for more tips and examples. I have this video that is 6 seconds long, and I want to create a longer video. For that, get the last frame of your video. I do this in CapCut. Go to the end of your video. Click on this icon and select Export Still Frames option. Select the desired resolution and format of the image and press the Export button. Then go to Hailuo AI. In the Image to Video section, upload the image you get in the previous step. Use the same text prompt, or you can edit it based on what you want to happen. Change quantity to specify the number of results, and use last model, then press Create button. See the results and select proper one. Import the result into CapCut and add it to the end of the previous part of the video. We now have longer video part. To make all scenes have the same theme, you can use color correction. For that, click the Filter tab. You can search for a special filter or see filters of different categories. Choose one of them and add it to the entire parts of your video. You can also change the intensity from here and reduce its effect. If you need more help, go to my channel and see this video. If you want to use consistent faces in your video and create movies with consistent characters like these, you can use Hailuo AI Subject Reference section. Use S2V-01 model. Upload your character face and describe the clothes and scene that you want the character to be in it, and create a cinematic shot. If you need more tips on creating consistent characters with Hailuo AI, go to my channel and see this video. Collect all the videos you have created for the movies. For some videos, you need to use text-to-video section. For others, you may need to use the image-to-video section. And for character consistency, you can use the subject reference section. Note that when using the subject reference section, you must describe your character's clothing. It helps the AI to create consistent clothing in each scene. Sometimes you may need to describe the character's hair color, and like this for better results. Import all your videos into a video editor like CapCut or whatever. For background music, you can use music in the audio section and search for cinematic music. For sound effects, go to sound effects section and search for the sounds that you want. Adding sounds is the key for creating a great video. If you don't have any ideas for sound effects, go to ChatGPT and describe your scene and ask it to help you what words to search for. Add effects and transitions for different parts of videos. Use filter to ensure coherence across scenes and apply it to all your videos. For sound effects, you can also use Pixabay website. Go to sound effects section and search for the sound you want. For background music, you can use Suno AI and create your own music. For that, I asked ChatGPT to give me descriptions and tags for creating cinematic action music. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.